to see?
Weight reduction. New owner just needs as fast as he can go. He got rid of the exhaust. You gotta see what else you can remove. Radio's supposed to come out, but the speakers are gone. We're ditching everything. Everything.
SVJ, quick update. You guys have seen this going back together, but we're just about there. The exterior of the vehicle is complete, aside from some PPF on a couple of the painted components. Some of the decals we ordered from factory from Lamborghini, again, crazy expensive. Like these right here, these pieces still need satin PPF, and that's gonna, you know, dumb down the OEM white. The rest of the car has satin PPF on it already. That's why it's a little bit more yellow here to here. But we still need satin PPF on these rocker pieces. But these little decals, so these are actually Italian flag decals that we still have to stick on. OEM from Ferrari, I think for both sides was like $400 something.
It's a Ferrari?
Did I say Ferrari?
Yeah.
Oh, you know why? The place we buy them.
It's also over there.
Anyway, it's a Lamborghini, but the flags are actually $400, so look at this. Insane. So OEM decals, could we have made them ourselves? Probably. But the new owner of the SVJ is very particular in terms of things being like original and true to style, so we didn't want them looking wonky, so we have brand new replacement decals that we can go right there. But aside from the decals, we have to dial in the front fitment, lower the springs, because the OEM, we took the Novatech springs out of it because they're really bouncy and stiff. This gentleman is a little bit, you know, he's a little older. He's not like young Gio who doesn't care if it rides like a plank. So OEM springs are back in it, front and rear. Eli reassembled, you know, pretty much the entire exterior. Now we're just waiting for the seats to come back. We had a little hiccup with the upholstery of them. We had to order some more material, but once those are back in, it's looking good. Yeah, we just need a couple more things, but we'll throw the interior back together and see how it hits the road, see how it rides again now that it's all reverted back to stock.
Yeah.
Exhaust, the springs, everything's reverted back to stock. So yeah, excited to see how he likes it, but just a couple more little touches and we'll be there.
They're here. They're done. That's it. SVJ seats. I've never seen them. I've never even seen a render. I haven't seen the design. This is big, so I actually picked these up. So I still haven't even like fully seen them. So new upgraded seats. Wish Gio did it, but the new owner did. So very stoked. Good friend John absolutely killed it at getting these seats. Very quick and just honestly probably flawless. Like I said, haven't seen them, so let us. On the camera seen them before I seen it. Sure.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
All right. I'll look away. I'll see why. No, they look fucking crazy already. Let's get these things in some light. Touchdown. Here we have a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ custom one-of-one seat for our good buddy, now new friend, Peter. Wow. Wow. This is real good. Can I sell my blade? I got no blade.
Don't cut the upholstery.
No blade on me now, I just got boot strength. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That is a wonderful feat of engineering if I've ever seen it. Matching J to the side of the car. Come on. Can't really get better than that. So once again, huge shout out to John. Killed it on these seats, and you could already, you can kind of picture, see them mocked up and everything, but Oreo spec, Panda spec, whatever you want to call it, these look real good. Let's get the other one, pair them up, take the sheathing off, and let the big man see them.
I just gotta get a quick flip.
You gotta move that car. It's too loud. What are you doing?
I'm gonna pull it in, blow it out real quick.
Want to turn it off really quick?
Yeah, I can turn it off real quick. Why are you looking at me like that?
Perfect. All right, so V2 of the SVJ project, Gio's old SVJ, is now completed. No more of that carbon PPF on it, no crazy PPF lines, all fresh paint. The car just got fully detailed, so you know he's a very picky person, so we made sure it's as clean as possible for him in every department that it could be, inside, outside.
Don't forget about them
mechanically. Yeah, so I mean, just a brief rundown of what we did to it. All the paint work, custom seats. We played around with the suspension and powder coated a couple things. The OEM and the Novatec spring combo. We have literally like OEM in the rear, Novatec in the front, and that's just because you can't lower the OEM front ones like low enough to make it look good. But yeah, powder coated intake plenum back here. The hatch is on so you can't really see, but I know you guys saw it in the vlog, so that's good. We painted the entire rear wing, which used to be carbon fiber. Same thing with these side pods and the mini side pods. The rear end went back together. The entire rear diffuser, which was previously carbon, is now gloss white. And as you can see, sadly, the OEM exhaust is back on, but I mean, not everybody loves loud cars, so OEM exhaust is back on. And then walking around this way, I'll just give you guys a little glimpse of the seats one last time. We have them all covered up because if you've ever transported a car, you know how that can go. You just don't lift it, like just barely. We're at the finish line. Last thing I want is like a thumbprint on one of them and it get totaled. So all that's left is to ship this all the way across the country back to the new owner so he can go ahead and enjoy what's left of the summer and spring, or spring's over. What's left of the summer into the fall. So I know this thing will live a really happy life the rest of his life. He says he's never gonna drive it in the rain. He's never gonna drive it if it's even gloomy out or the roads are dirty or anything. So this is how it should look for a long, long time, which is exciting. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the SVJ vlog. It's time to load this thing up and say our goodbyes one last time.
You gonna cry?
No.
No.
No. I will not cry.
John's a driver, and he says this isn't a driver's car. It's a good looking car.
If you want to flex on people, cool. If you want to drive fast and drive well, get something else. Get you a G82. All right, guys, let's do this thing. I got the key. One final one startup on.
No, you're sad.
You happy?
I'm sad.
No, happy about like what? It's clean.
Yeah, I'm happy, but I'm sad.
You can cry later because I gotta go.
That's crazy.